I am so thankful that somebody close to me introduced me to Igor. It's been absolutely a life-changing experience being able to expand my consciousness, my mind, my joy, my happiness through many of his different meditations, through his guidance, through his wonderful community on Tuesday night, which is a fantastic meditation group. And I'm also fortunate and so grateful that he was able to take some time to work with me one-on-one. It was absolutely a life-changing experience for me. I've been able to release many deep-seated things, specifically one thing that seemed to really be holding me back from a lot of joy. And I'd say now more than ever, it's great to just have an absolutely open heart, and I'm able to continue that through working with him, with his community and his group who are so supportive. I couldn't ask for a better group of people and teacher to help me on my journey. I'm so forever grateful. Thank you so much. Much love.